You say fiddlesticks.
I know. I can't say fiddlesticks.
You can't say fiddlesticks?
You can say fiddlesticks. Say fiddlesticks.
Fiddlesticks.
Yeah, there you go. You don't have to say it like that. We'll just say fiddlesticks. Ah, fiddlesticks. Say it. Ah, fiddlesticks. It's like when Mickey Mouse says, "Oh, pickle juice." Can you say, "Oh, fiddlesticks"?